Meaning of Fianna Fáil.
Fianna Fáil.
Fianna Fáil.
Fianna Fáil.
Fianna Fáil. Fianna Fáil is a political party in Ireland. Its name translates to Soldiers of Destiny in English. The party was founded in 1926 and has traditionally been associated with Irish nationalism and centrism. Fianna Fáil dominated Irish politics for much of the 20th century, providing many prime ministers and governing for long periods. However, the party has faced some setbacks in recent years, losing seats in parliament and struggling to gain support from younger voters. Despite these challenges, Fianna Fáil remains one of the main political parties in Ireland and continues to wield significant influence over the country's political landscape.